Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to leverage on KuCoin. Leverage trading lets you control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. For example, with 10 times leverage, a $100 investment can control a $1,000 position. This can significantly amplify your potential gains, but it also means your losses can be much larger, so understanding the risks is crucial before you begin. Before you can start, you'll need to prepare your KuCoin account. First, make sure you have funds in your main account. Then, transfer the desired amount of cryptocurrency into your margin account. This is the dedicated wallet for leverage trading. KuCoin offers various leverage multiples, often up to 10 times or 20 times, depending on the trading pair, so choose wisely. Now, let's open a position. Go to the margin trading section on KuCoin. Choose the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, like BTC versus USD. Select your preferred leverage ratio, for instance, 5 times. Decide if you want to go long or short, enter your order amount, and confirm the trade. Always double-check your order details before executing. Once your position is open, active management is key. Keep an eye on your liquidation price, which is where your position will be automatically closed if the market moves against you too much. To manage risk, always consider setting stop-loss orders. You can also set take-profit orders to automatically close your position when it reaches a desired profit level, helping you secure your gains.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.